As you can see, I cut off the green mermaid. I have a wood burning tool that has an X-Acto knife attachment. And I cut it down through the fin, cut that, and then I pried that off. The two flippers pulled away. And so this is the ugly stage right now. But I think the pink will look better. So now I have a lot of fixing to do. So first thing I'm going to do is go in and apply some glue, just loosely, where I'm going to attach the air drying clay. I will come back once I'm done with this and it has dried so I can repaint. Okay, we're going to let this dry, and I'll do just some little cleanup here and let this dry, and I'm ready to put on another coat of resin. Oh, no, wait, I have to You see there's a kind of a lip or a ridge along this edge of this cup. I'm going to sand that down. I'm going to get that nice and flat again. And then she's ready for a final coat. Okay, this is cured, so we're going to take it off. There you have it. A few flaws, but I can fix those. Other than that, it looks pretty good. And I'll clean up the inside. That will be easy. What do you think? There's my modeling that I did. There's the bottom. Not perfect, but it's okay. I like it. Thanks for joining me, guys. I really appreciate you stopping in and watching. And I hope you are inspired or you learned something that would be fun to do. And we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.